Hello and welcome. As we know that the telecom landscape is evolving faster than ever before, so we no longer are just managing the connectivity, but we are orchestrating massive and complex 5G ecosystems. As these networks scale, the traditional manual operations simply cannot keep up. So, therefore, the future of 5G is autonomous, and that is the sole reason why we have created this program. So, welcome to the hands on AI, ML, Gen AI, and Agentic AI in 5G networks for working telecom professionals. So, this is not a surface level information that we are sharing. It's an intensive and a comprehensive 10-week long journey. So, I'll be covering what we are planning to do in the next 10 weeks. The 10 weeks are split into 20 dedicated sessions where we'll be delivering 32 hours of live, recorded, and hands on instruction. So, the goal will be to bridge the gap between traditional telecom engineering and the cutting edge world of AI. So, whether we talk about AI for RAN, core network, self organizing network, or deploying generative or agentic AI, this program is built to transform how you approach network optimization. Now, let's dive into exactly who this is for and how it works. So, first question is who this program is for. So take a look at this screen, and on the left side, you might be wondering, is this the right fit for my career path? So the program is exclusively designed for 4G and 5G core as well as RAN engineers who are seeing the writing on the wall and want to stay ahead. It is built for telco professionals who are actively looking to move into AI driven networks. Whether you are a network optimization engineer or a performance engineer or a telco data analytics professional, the tools and the techniques that you will be learning here will completely redefine your day to day workflows. We strongly welcome engineers working on Open RAN, private 5G, multi access edge computing, etc. Ultimately, if you wish to add Gen AI, Agentic AI to your 5G skill set, you are exactly at the right place. Now, look at the second half or the second side, what makes it different. So, there are thousands of machine learning courses running. So, this particular course is Telco First AI program. It's not a generic data science boot camp. So, we aren't going to teach you how to predict home loans, home prices, or we are not going to classify pictures of cats and dogs. You will be working on 5G network datasets, 5G network scenarios. In few cases, we might even be covering a real telco dataset as well. So we cover the automation across the entire stack. We'll be covering RAN, core, SON automation. Further, we don't just stop at predictive machine learning. We feature full generative AI track covering large language models, prompt engineering, RAGs, and fine tuning. And finally, we may and we will be going to the chatbots. You will learn about agentic AI, building agents that can autonomously manage 5G networks. Everything we do focuses on deployable AI models and industry ready network AI workflows. So let us go through the journey. So on this screen, you can see a 10-week roadmap. We'll not go into the details of what exactly we are going to do week after week. So we have split the course into five different phases. So we'll be covering. I'll be walking you through the individual phases that we have covered. So phase one will comprise of week one and week two. There we'll be spending most of our time on the foundations. So we know that the people come from different levels of telco knowledge or coding experience. So the goal will be to set up the foundation of telecom networks as well as building foundations on Python as well as mathematical foundations. Post that, we will be covering the basic ML fundamentals that we'll be covering are around supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and how do we actually perform these learning algorithms, and how do we utilize this exclusively for 5G, as well as we'll be learning how do we evaluate which machine learning model is best for us. So phase two, where we cover it covers week three and week four. Here we'll be ramping up into the deep learning and transformers, followed by some learnings on basics of which will have basics of neural networks, attention, transformer architecture, etc. And then we'll be going into the exact usage, for example, the anomaly detection, the fraud detection, and we'll be touching upon the network optimization and reinforcement learning. So that will be our phase 2. Phase 3 will comprise of dedicated Gen AI track. So you will be mastering NLP and LLMs first. You will be diving deep into the prompt engineering as well as RAG. That's what we have covered here. So, and then you'll be applying all these knowledge specifically to Gen AI in telco operations. So you can imagine feeding thousands of lines of raw alarm logs into models and having it instantly generate a human readable RCA or a root cause analysis. That's what the end goal of this these 2 weeks will be. The next phase will be we move into agentic AI foundation. So we move from AI that just generates text into AI that takes action. So you learn the foundations of agentic AI and how to build and deploy multi-agent systems that can autonomously troubleshoot and coordinate tasks. So that will be the goal of next 2 weeks. That will be our phase 4. And finally is our phase 5, which is the final phase, which is entirely dedicated to your Capstone project. So it is an end-to-end project on a real 5G network platform. So the goal will be whatever you have learned in the last 9 weeks, you can apply it here, and uh, you can build up an end-to-end project that could be utilized for your requirement. So let's look a bit closer to the Capstone project, because this is where all the theory turns into the uh, advancing proof of your skills. So your objective here will be to select a real 5G operations problem that either you might be working upon currently, or we will try to give you some problems around that. So whether it is like congestion management, fault management, knock automation, or anything you pick. So you will be applying machine learning or deep learning, or utilizing Gen AI or agentic AI concepts that you have learned to build, train, evaluate, and deploy an end-to-end system. So the goal will be that you, in the end, you deliver a working code repository. You can perform a 10 to 15 minute live demonstration on a real or a synthetic telecom data, and then provide a two-page technical summary of your architecture. So like let's see the sample project ideas that we currently focus. So like, for example, building an autonomous knock agent that can detect anomalies and generate incident tickets, or it could be creating a 5G configuration assistant that could generate validated CLI configs from natural language using a fine-tuned LLM, or you could be developing an alarm intelligence platform for noise reduction and shift handover reporting, or even a predictive SON agent that uses LSTMs to forecast congestion and hands that data to the optimization agent. So next is what all tools and softwares you'll be learning. So to build this at this level, you need to use the tools that top tech and telecom companies are using right now. So you can take a look at the software stack or that is displayed on the screen. For programming, we'll be heavily dependent on the Python 3, working mostly inside either Jupyter notebooks or Google Colab or Kaggle kernels. For traditional machine learning and deep learning, you will get hands-on with the scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, etc. And the telecom data analytics will be handled by Pandas and NumPy. So you will learn how to analyze telecom KPI dataset, and you will also learn the exploratory data analytics with the help of Matplotlib, Seaborn, etc. Uh, Next part is how do you learn the Gen AI and LLMs. So there are two options. The popular ones is that you could be working with the OpenAI or the Anthropic APIs, Hugging Face transformers, LangChain, Llama Index, or even run local LLMs using Olama. We will try that you are able to set up a local LLM in your own machine. And for the agentic AI, we will utilize LangChain agents AutoGen, Crew AI, and vector database for RAGs. Once your models are built, you learn how to deploy them using Flask, Fast API, Streamlit, and the basics of containers or Dockers. So, what will be the final outcome? So, what is the ultimate outcome of spending these 10 weeks with us? As you can see on the slide, you will leave this program with a highly specialized, highly lucrative skill set. You will be able to confidently analyze massive telecom data set using Python and modern AI tools. You'll know how to predict network congestion, faults, subscriber churn, and implement anomaly detection directly into live 5G networks. You will have the ability to build deep learning models for traffic forecasting. You will also understand how to package and deploy these AI models for telco operations via REST API. You will possess a deep understanding of AI driven SON and network automation. And perhaps the most importantly, for the current job market, you will be able to apply generative AI to knock operations and build cutting edge agentic AI systems that can autonomously investigate network faults without human intervention. So, these are the skills that will be taught in the course of 10 weeks. So the telecom industry, as we know, is not waiting for anyone. The shift towards autonomous AI-driven networks is happening right now, and professionals who are going to master these skills will be the leaders of tomorrow. The program officially starts on 16th of May. To ensure professionals can attend the working professionals can attend the class, we have kept it on Saturday and Sunday from 11:45 a.m. So we request you not to miss this opportunity to future proof your career. You can enroll right now by visiting our website. If you have a specific question about the curriculum or enrollment, please drop an email to us or you can directly call us as well. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you in class and building the future of 5G together. Thank you.